Welcome to day 10 of Self Care September. And today we're doing something bold. We're putting the screens down. I want you to give yourself a tech free morning or an evening where there's absolutely no scrolling, no emails, and no notifications pulling at your attention. Just space. Notice what it feels like to wake up without grabbing your phone, or what it feels like to wind down without a glowing screen in your face. Maybe you journal, sip some tea, stretch, or just sit in quiet. This is about reclaiming your peace, about reminding yourself that you don't have to be available to the world 24/7, but you can be available to you. So unplug, breathe, let yourself remember what stillness feels like.